Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and today I'm going to show you how to compost the dead leaves that you rake up in your yard. So basically what you're going to need is a black trash bag, the 33-gallon kind, and after making yourself some leaf piles like I have here, um, this came from like me doing a little bit of spring cleaning in my backyard. Um, there's one pile there, and I have another one here, and another one here. As you can see, I've raked up some leaves and getting ready to go ahead and bag them. And this will also help me to clean up my backyard a little bit and make it easier to mow whatever little bit of grass there is. And like I said, what you're going to need is a 33-gallon black trash bag, some dead leaves that you raked up from the fall, and a little bit of water. And I went ahead and, like I said, put some leaves in this black trash bag here. And then next what I'm going to do is take this water can and pour some water over the leaves. You want to put a generous amount, and what that's going to do, it's going to create some moisture in there, and after that go ahead and tie up the bag like so. Well, actually, like these guys right here that I already have done. I have 3 here, and you want to set them out in the sun. And what's going to happen is that over time, from the sun beating down on it, the moisture inside, it's going to help break down those leaves. And hopefully within 5 to 6 weeks, maybe up to 8 weeks, you'll have some good organic compost from the leaves that broke down. And then you can go ahead and use it straight to your garden if you have like a vegetable garden. In my case, I have fruit trees. There's my beautiful mango tree right there that's coming back nicely, and I have some other fruit trees that I'm growing here on this side of my fruit garden. So papaya trees, some other mango trees there, coming up nicely. These are the ones that actually the frost tried to get rid of on me, but they're coming back. I got another one there, and here's another one here that didn't come back, but at last check, at the very bottom of this trunk, I did see a little bit of a sign of life on one of the old leaf buds. So hopefully it will come back. And as you can see, my other plants are coming back nicely. My banana plants, my pineapple plants. And as a bonus to today's video, I'm going to show you something you've probably never seen before. Here I have a pineapple crown that I planted, and as you can see, there's actually, I counted them all, 11, I say again, 11 separate little crowns that are coming off of this one crown. Now I chalk that up to me using my organic compost on my plants, and I think that caused some kind of biological phenomenon here with this one. The most I've had before was 6 crowns from one plant, but this one's going to be one for the books. Anyway, that was today's video on how to compost leaves that you rake up from your backyard or front yard, and putting them inside of a 33-gallon black trash bag, adding some moisture in there. And what's going to help that to do is cook it down with the heat from the sun, and the moisture just helps decompose those leaves real nice. And hopefully, like I said, between 6 to 8 weeks, I'll get some nice organic compost, and I'll do an updated video on that. As always, thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Hit the little bell button or symbol for up and coming videos. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.